How to add gradient color to text in Canva. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here's how we are going to get this done. First things first, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that one, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. So we are going to head over to apps, and here in the apps we're going to go ahead and look for type gradient. So this app right here is what we are going to be using. I want you to go ahead and open it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and type here the word gradient, say for example, and then you can go ahead and click this one and you should be able to select different font options here. So I'm just going to go ahead and find something, say for example this one. Now I can go ahead and click this to close it, and then I can go ahead and select the color here. So I can click this one right here, and then say for example I'm going to choose red, and then for this one, let's say for example we're going to go ahead and choose a light pink, say for example. And then here you can go ahead and find like a middle color, or you can also just delete it to focus on these two colors here. So this is how it is looking right now, but you can actually make adjustments here. For example, right now the angle of the gradient color is vertical. However, you can go ahead and drag these 2 points here in order to make some changes, just like so. And yep, that's just what you are going to do. I want you to go ahead and try to find what kind of gradient color you'd like to add here. Say for example, just like that. You can go ahead and click this one in order to add this to your design. And you can go ahead and adjust the length for this one. And again, let's go ahead and try to make that one earlier. So let's go ahead and have a vertical angle for the gradient color and click this once again. And you can see that now we have this one. And that is how to add gradient color to text in Canva.